Everyone, my name is Emmanuel and I'm the founder of Autozard.com. And I just want to show you really quick how to get started with Autozard. So the first thing is I go to sign up and I will enter my credentials. So let me just say Emmanuel. Then I'll enter my email and enter my password and say so then I agree to sign up. So while signing up, I receive a confirmation email to confirm my email. So let me just enter the taking 635 380 and I verify. Yeah, so I verify. So let me just log in again. Okay, yeah, so after logging in, I receive my environment will be set up, like a workspace will be created for me, and then a project will be created. So let me just click on continue setup. And on setup, these are just the basic onboarding process that we have for now. You'll be prompted to install one of our apps. For instance, you can install GitHub and then install Jira. So for now, I'll install both the GitHub and the Jira. So when I click on install, just wait while it loads. It takes me to GitHub page where I can select the organization or the user the one I want to install the application on. So I'll click on this, and yeah, I grant the permission, install and authorize, and I enter my GitHub password. Okay, yeah, so the GitHub is installed. I would like to install Jira also, so let me just click on install Jira and let me wait while it's installing, and yeah, accept. Yeah, so Jira has been installed, and I'll click on continue. So we have Jira and then we have GitHub installed now. So let me just click on continue. And I click on continue, I'll be prompted to add an AI model to my workspace. So I can also select the current AI model we have. So let me check. I think I'd like to add GPT-4 to my workspace. So I click on GPT-4, and then yeah, so we have a link where you can get your GPT-4 API key. So when you click on this link here, it takes you to your GPT-4 GPT platform where you can get your API key. But I already have an API key, so I'll just copy and paste it. Just paste it here. Yeah. So and I click on finish setup. So when I click on finish setup, I see it takes me directly to the conversation board where I can start chatting. So like let's say for instance, so let's say for instance, say hello there. Yeah, so it's returning response that hello, I can assist you today. So yeah, this is just the basic setup. The next is if you want to for instance use your GitHub and your Jira. So what can I do? So I click on you click on the GitHub, you see the list of you see a mini interface that looks like GitHub where you can select a repository, you can check issue, you can check pull request. So okay, like, let's say I select a repository, say I select Autozard app, and yeah, I can see this of branch. So let me just go to a branch, and then yeah, I can see files. So I can select a particular file. Okay, let me just go to SRC and select. Okay, let's say I select a simple app.csx and I close. So there will be a sign that the something has been selected. So next, the AI that I've added, and that's GPT-4. To make suggestion on that, probably I say, can you factor this file? Yeah, so it contains this, and yeah, it check this and make suggestion based on what needs to change. And not only that, also you can see issues. We have issue, we have pull request. I have this pull request now, and I wanted to review it, so I can say, can you review this pull request? Yeah, and so it just give one suggestion. If you can prompt it more to give uh, more suggestion on that, like more giving it more prompts. And yeah, and you can see that we have something like credit use here. So credit is just to manage credit across whatever AI models that user have. And also you can here you can share your chat with, if you have members of your workspace, you can share your chat. Yeah, yeah. So let me just click on this breadcrumbs and take me back to the workspace screen. So this is our workspace screen. We have projects, we have credit, we have members, we have manage apps, we have manage models. So under manage app, you can see the list of apps that we have. Under manage model, we can see the list of models that we have added to the workspace. Under members, this is where you can invite members, so you can click here and invite more members, just separated by comma, and you can click on send invite, get the invite will be sent to your workspace members. And then here we have credit. So under credit, this is where we manage the credit that was assigned to a user and the credit that has been used. So with the messages I've sent now, I've used $0.006 dollar. This credit was calculated based on how GPT-4 was calculated. So the credits used are calculated based on the token usage, so the input token and the output token, and that is what the credit is all about. And so assuming a user has exhausted the credit, the workspace admin can come here, select the user, and you can click on update credits. So when the user click on update credits, we can update the credits here. Probably I want it to increase to $100. I can update the credit and it changes to $100. We go to the application now. You can see more applications that we have. So currently GitHub and Jira are currently active, and but we are still working on GitHub, GitLab, Notion, Confluence, Trello, and also we are working on AI models. Currently we have GPT 3.5, GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT 4, and Palm. So these are the AI models that we have added, and we hope that more will still be coming. And also for the SaaS apps, we hope that more will still be coming soon. Yeah, so that is pretty much what we have for now. Yeah, and okay. And also, I think one important feature that I missed out that I think we need to talk about is the settings. So here we can, for the GitHub, we have some automated tasks, like the AI can review your pull request. So that's an example from GitHub. So if I come here, I can click on select your default workspace, so default GitHub repository. So here I can select a repository for this project. When I select a repository for this project, the AI models, anytime a pull request is open, and then anytime a pull request is open, the AI automatically review the pull request and drop a comment on GitHub. So here we can update the message that we want the AI to send, to the prompt we want to give to the AI. So I can access, probably check for console.log, check for console.log, security, add unit tests, check for security issue, and the likes. So when you click on save, when you click on, for instance, when you click on submit, it automatically save the default repository that anytime a pull request is open on the repository, the AI automatically review it. And then when you click on, when you update these two, these are the prompts that you receive when a pull request is opened or it is updated, and then you click on submit. And also here you don't want automatic pull request review, so you can untoggle it. And yeah, and back to the project. So when a pull request is open, you have a conversation here. Like when AI review your pull request, a conversation is created for you here, and you see the list of your conversation. Yeah, so that is pretty much how Autozard works for now, and I hope this video helps.